Hi again, Matt Noyes, 1 degree outside and 1degreeoutside.com. This video covers you on the insights that go from Wednesday into the weekend. If you're looking for the next 24 hours, that's in Noyes Notes and 1 degree outside today. You can find that on our homepage. All right, let's dive in. Wednesday, we're talking about a couple of showers dropping into northern, central, western New England, a cold front approaching from the north and west. You know, Wednesday morning, there actually may be a couple of separate showers in southern New England, Connecticut, Rhode Island, southeastern Mass, all the way up to the Mass Turnpike. But anything that is scattered around in the morning Wednesday should melt away. And that allows for temperatures to warm back into the 70s. So maybe not as warm as the 80 degrees on Tuesday, but still doing pretty well overall because the cold front hasn't crossed through yet. The air in green are your chance of showers and thunderstorms, which extends back out in upstate New York for that matter as well. The cold front crosses through New England on Wednesday night, at least drops down on top of New England. This does allow for some cooler air, lows in the 40s and 50s with a couple of showers floating around. And Wednesday, a storm center coming out of the mid-Atlantic never crosses right over New England. It stays to our south. The winds come out of the northeast, though, and so begins the story of a northeast wind again from Thursday all the way through Sunday to keep us much cooler, particularly in eastern New England. You can see the rain in Connecticut, Rhode Island, southeastern Mass. When you start getting north of the Pike, it's scattered showers, although in northern New England, those showers are actually from a separate disturbance that drops in, could bring a shower or thunderstorm for you, particularly during the afternoon. Notice the difference in temperature here on Thursday at the coastline. You may not even make 60. Eastern New England generally in the 60s versus western New England, which is able to still rise into the 70s. And actually upstate New York's got a couple of scattered showers and storms Thursday afternoon, but it's a very nice day overall. Friday, probably more clouds than sun. That easterly and northeasterly wind continues. 50s in Boston, a chance for a pop-up shower. Again, western New England, milder on Friday, not a lot of rain to go around, even if a shower does pop up. Saturday, still the onshore wind, but this time it's really kind of flexed its muscles, so you'll see we're cooler all the way in eastern New York State for that matter, and that's why, most of us are probably stuck in the 50s. Saturday is the coolest day probably out of the next 2 weeks, the way things look right now. Here's the app again for you. If you haven't gotten it yet in the App Store, you can do that. It is out only for Apple. We are still working with Google on Google approval for Android. That's how things look for now. I hope you have a great day.